Hey everybody, John with Freshwater Systems. Today we're going to talk about Watts Water Technologies. They're one of our key vendors and they've been a force in the industry for almost 150 years. Watts started in the New England area when Joseph Watts created a product to solve the issue they were having at the time with water boilers exploding because of overpressurization. He created a pressure reducing valve that eliminated that danger. In fact, through the 50s, they actually marketed their products as the explosion danger preventers. In any case, over the years, they've evolved into quite a force in the water treatment industry, which they kind of got into in 1978. Watts Water Technologies covers a vast assortment of water treatment products, commercial, industrial, to residential. For the water treatment industry, they buy and sell a lot of products. They've become probably the largest distributor in the water treatment industry. And a lot of the dealerships out there, us included, buy products from Watts, and they have some good ones. Residentially, they're well known for their reverse osmosis point of use products. Up until recently, the Premier and the Quick Change products that use these types of filters, they are starting to phase those out, and we're anxiously awaiting to see what they come in with next. But some of the products that we sell a lot of are leaning more towards the residential side. Things like their top mount faucet. Cool thing about the top mount faucet is the ease of installation. Traditionally, you've got to crawl under the counter to secure the bolts and the mounting hardware, whereas the top mount Watts, literally all you have to do is feed the tubing down through the hole in the sink, and everything else you can do from up above. Makes putting faucets on so easy. Homeowners can do it all the time. The regulator products we sell quite a bit of, and the regulator products have been their mainstay. It's the product that put them on the map 144 years ago. And probably every household in the United States has a pressure regulator on the water supply that comes in, especially municipally treated water supplies. Out of those, 70% of them are probably the Watts regulators, so well known for that. They also provide a lot of filter cartridges from residential units up to big commercial stuff. They also have a product that's used commercially, and it's a non-metallic filter housing, which is a unique one in the industry. And it's really an awesome filter housing that we use even in big residential units, and Watts is well known for that. Watts provides a lot of resource to businesses like ours to allow us to buy products and specifically tailor them to our customers. We appreciate Watts. We think they're great. If you're looking for Watts products, you can find them on our website.